If you've ever thought, gusto ko maging virtual assistant pero wala akong experience, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. I share my life after moving back to the Philippines after working in Japan for 7 years. And today, ikukwento ko how I landed my first virtual assistant job in 5 steps. Step 1, I created my LinkedIn profile. Honestly, wala akong portfolio, as in fresh account. Kakagawa ko lang that time. Wala ring connections. All I had were my work experiences and my educational background. So that's it. So if you're overthinking your profile right now, don't. Just start with what you have. Step 2, I applied through JobStreet. Nag-sign up ako sa JobStreet and applied to multiple jobs including work from home. Ito yung isa sa mga job posts na nakita ko. At ito rin yung in-applyan ko. May option doon na quick apply. So, super dali lang mag-submit ng application kapag may JobStreet profile ka na. They reached out fast but I wasn't ready. I applied on March 17 and they emailed me the next day, March 18. Ang bilis. Pero hindi ako nag-apply agad. Why? Because I didn't feel ready. My video recording kasi na requirement. And the questions, I was honestly intimidated kasi wala akong VA experience. Step 3, the initial interview. Dito naman, I felt like it was more in verification. They just reviewed my answers and asked me to explain some parts. Basically, they were building my profile to match me with a client. Then step 4, ito na, client matching and interviews. Na-pair na ako with a client, but the interview didn't happen right away. So I followed up on August 4, almost 2 weeks later, kasi akala ko hindi na ako nakapasa, akala ko wala ng update. Turns out, busy lang yung client, who is now my boss. Then, everything started moving fast after the first interview noong August 22. Then, yun, nag-start na ako mag-work. And after a month, by the end of the month, my client told me that he was happy with my work. And yun na nga, I got offered yung salary ko. I was expecting around 32,000. But I got offered, instead of 3 pounds, I got offered 4 pounds per hour. So that was around 52,000 to 55,000 a month. Yes, I was honestly so happy. I did not pay anything for training. I get this directly to my bank account from my employer. So walang cut from the Freedom Geek. Talagang directly na sa bank account ko. Yan, 6 months later, my experience so far, I'm really happy. There are 3 VAs sa company. 1 senior VA. She's been working the company for I think 6 years na. Super galing niya. She's handling everything, operations, lahat. And we also have 1 social media VA. Ito kasabayan ko, 2 kaming hinire. And then me handling operations and then customer success. So yes, that's my story. And yes, I hope makatulong tong video na to. If you have questions again, just let me know. Bye!